This is another big earnings week. Even though we've heard from a lot of the big names, there's still quite a few to go this week and next week. So don't think it's over yet, because it's not. I'm bringing you 3 companies that are reporting mid this week that have excellent records, not quite perfect, but close. And these are ones you should keep an eye on this middle of the week plan. Our first one is Time Warner. They've been all in the news because the AT&T merger. I put them up here anyways. They got the perfect record. Shares are spiked to this new high. Whether or not this merger goes through, we don't know, but I like the chart. It's something, you're going to keep an eye on, I'm sure, so why not look at it? Our next company, Alaska Airlines. ALK is the ticker here. And I've been covering a lot of the airlines in these earnings reports because they just have a good earnings track record. You can see shares are getting a boost again off of those 2016 lows. Fuel is still in their favor. There's a lot of issues with capacity and whether or not they're going to add too much, as the airlines tend to do when things get good. But so far, they're keeping capacity under control, so that means better earnings. So I like their record, even though they have those 2 misses in 2013, but they've really turned it around. And Alaska is one of the hotter airlines and one you really want to be watching this week. And then our third company, I know I talked about Equifax last quarter. They beat again, and so they're here again with their perfect 5-year record. Shares are off those highs from last quarter, but still got to like what you see here. It's one of the prettier charts I've seen this week, so definitely keep an eye on Equifax if you're playing the beat and the miss, because they've got this great record. Now remember, just because they beat every quarter as Equifax does, doesn't mean they're going to next quarter. There's not a lot of companies that beat every quarter, and something along the way always trips up even the best of those with the best records. But I like the odds, so that's why I'm bringing them to you, because companies that beat quarter after quarter have maybe something a little special there. So keep your eye on these stocks, and I'll be bringing you more all week long. Also, if you're interested in the options trades, then you can check in with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's talking all about all the fun options this week on Zacks Live Trader. You can find that over on YouTube. That's Zacks Live Trader over on YouTube for the options trades, where he'll be covering all of that. So between Dave and I, we've got earnings covered this week, and be sure to tune in.